Well, hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Well, today we are going to continue working on the detail screen. Today we are going to work this one, the pickup and return, the cancellation policy, the distance included, and insurance and protection with this nice sheet. Okay, but before we start working on this, I want to make this trip dates view. Let's give it a file for itself. No need to keep it in detail view because as you can see a lot of code, and having a file with more than, like you can see, hundred of lines is too much, especially that we are working on an MVP. So okay, let's create a SwiftUI view. Let's call it trip dates view. No need for a preview. Okay, and then so let's take our trip dates view. Okay, and here we are. At least now the view is a little bit clearer. Okay, now on the views that we are going to be implementing today, you can see that pickup and return, cancellation policy, distance included, insurance and protection, they are all very similar. So we need to create a view that is reusable, that we can use for to implement these four or five of them. Okay, so let's go here. Let's start with Vstack. I believe the first one is pickup and return, so text. Pickup and return with a font of dot headline, font weight of dot semi-bold, and foreground style of color dark gray. Okay, let's give it a padding that is horizontal. Okay, I think it's nice. No, not this symbol, I'm sorry. Okay, below the pickup and return you can see we got this A stack, so let's create an A stack. Let's give it an image, system name, this one map and ellipse circle. Let's make it resizable and give it a frame of the width and height of 24 for both. Okay, now we will give it a text. San Francisco. Okay, the Vstack will give it an alignment. An alignment of dot leading. Okay, this looks to me okay, but I will embed this Vstack inside another Vstack. Just so I can give it a divider. Okay, and this other Vstack I need to make the alignment the same, also dot leading. Okay, I think pretty nice. Maybe I need to give it also a spacing 15, let's say. Okay, pretty nice. Okay, let's extract the subview and let's make refactor, rename it. Let's call it reusable car view. The reason why I call it reusable is because this won't stay this way for long. First thing, let's give it a title. Var title is a string, and also let's give it var subtitle, that is also a string. The title will be this one, the subtitle will be this one. And for the image, now something very interesting. If we go to the image, you see, for example, that distance included don't have an image. That's why we will make it optional. So in case I have an image, I will show the image. If I don't have an image, don't show me the image. Okay. Now in our reusable car view, they tell me you have missing arguments, so of course he ignored image name because it's now optional. Okay, you choose the second one. Okay, we will give it pick up and return. Subtitle will be San Francisco, and the image name will be whatever we just used, this one. Okay, now we need to apply them, so let's give it to text title. Give to this one image name, and let's give to this one subtitle. Now he is complaining about the string, and here is how we are going to handle this. We will tell him if let image name equal image name. In this case, okay, give me the image. If of course it's nil, this one he won't go to create the image, we will have just the text subtitle. Okay, we will check it later if it works fine or not. Okay, our text subtitle, but like you can see in our cancellation policy, we have also the sub and a second subtitle. And that's the date, this 19 December 2023. So what we are going to do is var second subtitle, it will be a date that is optional. Okay, and now I will put this inside the Vstack, and of course the Vstack I will give it an alignment of dot leading. And now comes the real work. We will write text, and the first one is full refund before, so we will write full refund before. We will give it a font of dot footnote and foreground style of gray. Okay, pretty nice. And after that we will click on plus, and now we can add text that will be what we call it a second subtitle, and like we used it in the previous video, style dot date. but he will tell me value of optional type. We will treat this the same thing, the same way we treated the other one. We will make if let second subtitle equals second subtitle. In this case, we will add this text. If not, we won't add them. Okay, we will try to check if our logic is true. Now we will call reusable CarView and we will click on option enter so we get all of them. Okay, it will be cancellation policy. First one, cancellation policy. Okay, the subtitle will be free cancellation. The image name will be let me see. Okay, it's hands.thumbs-up, and the second subtitle it will be date of today. Okay. Okay, I forgot to give to the second subtitle a font of footnote and foreground style of gray. Okay, I think it's beautiful and awesome. Okay, now we are going to try our logic when we don't have an image and or a second subtitle with this one. Okay, go here. Okay, let's call ReusableCarView with title and subtitle, and the title will be, I think, okay, distance included. And for the subtitle, okay, it's unlimited. This one is a good one. Okay, because we are going to make a test. We will check our view model dot cars, the index, and we will get from here, I think, the max distance. Okay, and we will check if the max distance is nil. In this case, it means unlimited. If not, then we display the maximum distance allowed, which means we display this. Okay, great, and to shut up the warning, just make it string describe. Okay, nice. Okay, just uppercase limited the first character. Okay. Okay, the next one is now insurance and protection, and you can see here that we got a case that we didn't treat yet, which is we have a button here. Okay, so we need to add also the button logic here. So let's go to our Stack, and here you see you have a Vstack. Let's add, for example, var, I don't know, read button, let's call it button boolean that is optional, and here we can ask him if read button not nil. In this case, let's use button an action and a label, and the label will be text. Sorry, what is it? Oh, okay, read more. And with a font of, I think, dot headline, And the font weight, let's give it of bold. Okay, let's go and check our logic if it's right now. We'll call ReusableCarView, title, subtitle, and I'm sorry, I call ReusableCarView with a red button too. Okay, this one will be insurance and protection. Subtitle will be insurance via, let's say, travelers, and let's give it here true. The first thing you can see, we barely can see the content, so let's give it a spacer with a frame and a height of 35, so I can scroll and it's clear to me. Okay, the second thing you see that the read more it should be here, so we need a spacer in our A stack. Okay, after the V stack we need here to have a spacer. Okay, I think it's nice. Okay, now we need to be able, when clicking on the button, to show this sheet. Okay, so at state private var show insurance view. Let's call it this way. It will be a boolean, by default false. In our action, let's call show insurance view dot toggle, which means we are changing the value here. Okay, dot sheet will go with this one, is presented with dollar show insurance view. And to be honest, I don't like when it's with this content and this way, so delete this and okay, this way it's perfect. It will be Vstack with an alignment of dot leading. Okay, let me see what we are going to be showing here. Okay, and I will also give it a spacing of 30, and I will give it a padding. I will start with rounded rectangle with corner radius of 1 and and a frame of width and height, width of 60 and a height of 5, and the foreground style of color dot system gray 5. Okay, so if I shake it now, okay, I'm seeing it. Okay, of course I need to give a spacer, and okay, I need to show now an image system name question mark dot circle. I hope this is the one. Yes, this is the one. I will make it resizable and I will give it a frame with width and height of 35 for both. Okay, let me check it. Okay, perfect. And now I will continue with the text. Let me check what is the text. Okay, all car rental app protection plan. Okay, car rental protection plan include third party liability insurance. Okay, liability insurance. Okay, I won't write at all because you get the idea, I think. Okay, for me that's fine. And okay, I think without the alignment dot leading, no need for alignment dot leading. Okay, this now it's better. Okay, of course, usually it's a long text and something like that. But anyway, that's what we are going to implement today. Maybe the thing is that now ReusableCarView, I will create one in my view inside component. Okay, SwiftUI view ReusableCarView. Okay, I will take all of this and place it here. Okay, everything hopefully is still working fine. Okay, the final thing I will do is this one is make Vstack. Where I'm putting all this inside, and now I will extract into subview, and I extracted view. I will call it refactor rename. Okay, let's call it car conditions view. A bad name, but anyway. Okay, and probably I will have to state object private var view model of type explore view model, and have to init this view model equal okay state object value view model. I think I called also the index, if I'm not wrong. Yes, the index also. Private var index of type integer, and we pass the index to self.index equal index. And here now I have this one. I need to pass view model, and I have to pass the index. Now hopefully everything will be working fine. Okay, waiting for the preview. Okay, everything is working fine, I think. Very nice, and the best thing, like I always say, it's very clean, the detail view, and we also used a lot of reusable view. So that's how you work in a company usually. In the next video we will be implementing this one, care basic, description, hosted by, and this view. So hopefully in the next video we will be finishing the detail screen. So as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.